In Photoshop, it's actually really simple to change the color of an object, and what better example than a Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to change each side to match the colors and essentially cheat using digital effects, and it's really easy to do. So first of all, I'm going to select my lasso, and I'm going to select the side I actually want to edit. So I'm going to do a really quick job at just selecting this side. It is worth noting that with this technique, it doesn't actually affect black or white, so it doesn't matter that I've actually selected some black with the color. Next, you want to go to Image, then Adjustments, and then Hue and Saturation. Then it's just simply a matter of going to the Hue section up here and just editing the color spectrum. So it really is that simple. So for this, I'm going to go to the yellows, and I'm going to try and match it with the yellow on the main side. I think that's about right. It is a bit darker, but we'll just leave it for now. And then just for the sake of finishing this, I'm just going to edit the red side. Do the same thing, Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation, and then I'm just going to edit this until we get a matching color. So I'll just do this yellow. I know it's not quite right, but it will do. It's worth noting that the colors, depending on what the original color is, they don't often actually match what you're changing to. So for example, if I went to the yellow section for this one, it's actually doing the opposite, it's changing it to blue. So it's worth just keeping in mind what the actual preview is being changed to rather than the color on the bar, because they don't correlate depending on the original color. So for this, I am just going to put it over to this sort of blue and purple section where we have a yellow. I'll just put it to that one for now. I know it's not quite the same color, but that will do. And it's going to do Control and D just to deselect. And there we go. We've essentially cheated at matching all the colors on our Rubik's Cube. It really is that simple to change colors. So if something isn't quite the right color you want, it's easy to change that at any point, so don't worry about it. I hope you found this quick video useful. If so, please leave me a like, subscribe, and as always, leave any comments or any video requests in the comment section. I'll be happy to look at them, and I'll see you all in the next video.